Being a performance marketer isn't easy. With multiple devices and cross-platform engagement, converting web traffic to app installs is more challenging than ever. The marketing space is shifting towards a people-based model. Putting the people at the center of your marketing efforts is essential to understanding how they interact with your brand and to gaining visibility into the complete user journey. AppsFlyer's smart banners easily capture free organic traffic from the mobile web. Create the perfect trigger along the user journey with intuitive customization features accessible from your dashboard. You can pick a template, customize design, and add optimal messaging. Smart banners are powered by AppsFlyer's OneLink deep linking technology, which ensures that a user is taken to the most relevant page within their app based on their initial intent, creating a seamless user experience. AppsFlyer's Smart Banner is one feature out of a set of people-based innovations, allowing marketers to evolve in this complicated space. With AppsFlyer Smart Banners, you can be sure to go the extra mile.